That's really awesome, man. Got the walkway down here. Looks nice and shaded. Then they got, looks like there's a yurt or something up there. We'll have to check it out. Which one do we go to first? I wanted to see what these real red leaves look like. I can notice them way off of there. See? Isn't that pretty? Very noticeable fall colors, huh? Pretty. Okay, 2 base of falls. This is where she said that it's a bunch of stairs and stuff. Or maybe she just said it was real steep. I wouldn't want to walk down this if it was raining. It'd be slippery. Oh yeah, there is a bunch of stairs. Whoop, almost bought the farm. You got to be careful whenever you got cameras and batteries and all that kind of stuff and microphones. You seem to forget about the normal things. And that's where you get in trouble. Trip and tumble. No swimming or wading. Look at those colors. Nice. Yep, now you're going to hear me huffing and puffing. There's another trail that goes up there, that way. Pretty, huh? Whew. I'm hanging onto the pole on the side, holding on for dear life. Well, that and looking for copperheads and stuff too. That lady at the desk that hooked me up on parking, she said that she saw 2 copperheads and that was at her house, and that's not very far from here. All right. Oh, cool. Good story, man. Wow. I didn't know there was a big cave there too. Look at that. See how far back it goes? Huh. It's a little cooler down here. Still could feel the whatchamacallit, humidity though. Yeah, that looks like a big old piece of rhubarb right there. These seats are real nice too. Look, they got the Great Seal of Oklahoma on them. See, there's a bunch of them around. Oh yeah, nice and cool. Whew. Oh yeah. Okay, so I just walked down all the steep parts, the steps, came down here to this walkway, and got a lot of nice benches here, courtesy of the Oklahoma State, see? And you end up right here, which is pretty, I think. Whew, nice. And check out this cave. I don't know how far back it goes. Let's see. Oh wow, you can actually like walk through the water, and there's some, well, I won't say totally dry, but I bet you it's full of bats and everything else in there. Still pretty cool. And there's the other lookout right above us there, see? Look at that, that is beautiful. Might as well get right in front of it, huh? Yeah, right here. Tilt it up a little bit. There you go. Yeah, there's the highest bridge right there. Woohoo! Natural Falls State Park in Oklahoma. We're gonna go on that bridge in a minute, maybe, and go down there also. I think it's pretty cool though.